Hey, what is up, guys? As you guys can see, I am currently in the StepN game or app, where you can see I have my sneaker right here and then all these different tabs. So today I wanted to show you guys what to look out for when buying your own sneaker, because I've just bought the sneaker this week and I have actually done a lot of research on this before, so that I bought a pretty good one for the price I got. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helps you out. And now let's look at the marketplace. So on StepN, you can basically buy the sneaker on their marketplace right here. And for that, you obviously need your wallet connected here, so that you can transfer some SOL from your wallet into the spendings account. And I currently have 0, but I have some SOL in my wallet. And when I bought it, I also had some SOL in the spendings account. But now to the marketplace. As you guys can see, I'm here on the marketplace. We got like all these different assets where we can basically filter. So the first thing you have to do is you have to select a class, and I wanted to use a runner. And yeah, that's basically the most efficient one of these three: walker, jogger, and runner. And the trainer is for like everything, but that is more expensive too. So then when you have chosen the type of shoe you want, you have to look at what you actually want to do with the shoe. Because if you are investing into the shoe to just go out there and run with the shoe and earn income, this number right here down here is really not important, because you are not going to mint a new shoe. But if you are planning on buying another shoe and then breeding these shoes and creating more shoes out of that count here is important, because each mint it gets more and more expensive to do this. So if you are planning on creating like multiple shoes from 2 original shoes, then you will probably it will be good if you are starting with the mint shoe mint with level 0. So I just did that, and then you can basically, the level, if you are searching for the lowest price, will obviously always be like 1 to 5 or something like that, because otherwise it will cost a lot more if you want to buy a level 10 shoe already. But then we are just gonna quality common. If you are searching for the lowest price, that's automatically gonna happen. But then you can just click on confirm, and here we got the floor price, which is basically 17.8 SOL right now. So that is really expensive, but I think it's still worth it to get into this. So here, what I think a lot of people do is just go onto the first sneaker because it's the lowest, then think like, okay, it looks pretty good, and then buy it. But there's actually more to it, because of course, as I said before, with the shoe mint, that is important, but also we have these different attributes. And here you can basically really look out for, and here it's of course again important what you want to do with this. But if you want to make the most money with this, it's important that you have many points on efficiency and resilience, because efficiency is basically determining how much you can earn, and resilience is how much you have to pay to repair the shoe. So I wouldn't look on luck and comfort in the beginning. So just make sure you have good resilience and good efficiency. So then don't buy this one. You can basically look through this, and sometimes there are some shoes that actually are listed for the same price but with like way better traits. So just look through this marketplace and wait with buying some. And as you guys can see, I found one for 18.1 SOL that looks kind of great, because the resilience is really high and efficiency on 4.3 is not bad at all. As you guys can see, it's not that much above the floor price. Always scroll down and look at the traits, because it's really worth it to pay like $30 more for this shoe than the first one, because you already got a good starting point and will earn much more right off the bat. So always look at that, and then you're basically ready to go. For that, you can just now then buy this shoe and start earning. And that's exactly how I got my shoe. As you guys can see here, I just bought that. I've just started running with this. So I ran today with this shoe and made 5.6 GST. At the current price, that is somewhere around 30 to 40 bucks. So that is really, really great. And of course, I'm going to level this and then I can even earn more. But I hope you guys now know how to buy and what to look out for when you buy your first sneaker on here. And as I said, what I would look out for is the resilience and the efficiency. With that said, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And for more StepN content and financial content in general, make sure to subscribe this channel. See you.